Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable tire inflators on Amazon. When your tire pressure warning light starts glowing on your dash, it can be incredibly frustrating. It could be a sign of a leak, a nail in your tire, or just because your car sat for too long or in the cold. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. VACLIFE Air Compressor Tire Inflator. The VACLIFE Air Compressor Tire Inflator may not be the fanciest or most powerful portable tire inflator, but it is one of the most convenient. And you can't overlook its budget-friendly price. Slim and lightweight, this device can fit nicely into the storage space in your car, either in your trunk or your spare tire's hidden spot. Rated for 50 psi, it's a great pick for first-time users thanks to the easy controls, built-in light, and instructions printed right on the front of the device. And it operates pretty quietly in comparison to similar portable inflators. Best of all, this inflator is nicely priced and affordable for just about every budget, making it a solid addition to an emergency kit. What we like about it: easy to use, simple controls, built-in cord storage, instructions listed on inflator. What we don't like about it: 8 to 10 minute run time. Only works with tires up to 9.5 inches. Number 2. Avid Power Tire Inflator. For versatile inflation needs, the Avid Power Tire Inflator is a great on-the-road companion. It can be powered by either 12-volt or 110-volt power, allowing you to use it in road emergencies as well as right in your own garage. Easy-to-control switches and buttons let you choose your pressure and fill up without any real effort. However, this inflator is heavier than most portable models. However, it's steady, durable, and feature-filled, which gives you some beneficial versatility whether you're dealing with low pressure or a leak. What we like about it: versatile, built-in gauge with auto shutoff, quiet. What we don't like about it: works slowly, air hoses are short. Number 3. VACLIFE Portable Air Compressor. Need speedy inflation? The VACLIFE Portable Air Compressor delivers. This portable tire inflator may be heftier in weight compared to smaller models, but it packs a serious inflation punch. Powered by your car's own outlet or socket, this device lets you set the psi up to 60 psi and get to work. It's fast and impressive, getting tires reinflated in less time than the competition. In tests, it felt quicker than its product description advertised. Plus, it'll make quick work of other inflation needs. Although this portable tire inflator is heavier than other options, its power and speed are great trade-offs. And little extras, like sturdy screw-in adapters within device storage space, make it extra solid. What we like about it: easily adjustable psi, inflates fast, relatively quiet operation, runs on accessory power. What we don't like about it: no cord storage, heavier than other inflators. Number 4. Jerchway Portable Tire Inflator. If you're looking for a portable tire inflator that's convenient to carry and perfect for your budget, the Jerchway Portable Tire Inflator just might fit the bill. This device, which weighs just less than 2 pounds and is small enough to stash in your back seat, conveniently plugs right into your car's available outlet or cigarette lighter socket and uses 12-volt power to deliver air via a firmly fitted hose. It's easy to operate, allowing you to get inflating with just the tap of a couple buttons, customized pressure settings, and a built-in flashlight that's especially helpful at night. Easy to store and built for efficient inflation, it's particularly great to add to your car's emergency kit. What we like about it: affordable, small and compact, easy to set up, handy for emergencies. What we don't like about it: no cord storage, 12-volt only. Number 5. Submittable Universal Air Compressor. Not all portable tire inflators are tough enough to handle tires of all sizes, but the Submittable Universal Air Compressor is up to the job. This inflator is no slouch, it's seriously heavy and well built, but not too heavy that it can't be easily carried in hand or in your car's cargo space. In fact, it's even designed to be bolted down in your car. It's speedy and makes quick work of inflation on tires big and small. Plus, it doesn't heat up or weaken under its workload. From the finishing to the motor, it's designed to be durable and last you a long time with its great level of power. What we like about it: plenty of power, inflates large tires fast, well built, suitable for many tires. What we don't like about it: heavier weight, air gauge isn't the most accurate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.